Let us make egg fruit pudding. 1/2 cup of sugar add to the pan. 1/4 cup of water. Caramelize the sugar. After the sugar is caramelized, add 1/4 cup of milk. Once it reaches this thickness, remove it from the heat and put it on a tray. Egg fruiter texture. Peel and clean the egg fruits. Chop well. Add 1/2 cup of milk to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add chopped egg fruits into the pan. Mix well. Put it on the stove and cook it for about 20 minutes. After reaching this consistency, remove it from the stove and put it on the tray. Tap to remove air bubbles. Let it cool down after freezing for a few hours. Garnish with nuts. Thanks for watching my video and like, comment, share this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.